Oh my goodness, it is beautifully brisk out here today. And I just decided in this moment that I'm going to share my journey, or this part of my journey, into finding out where my next level is, where my feet are going to be planted. I am a Gen X hairstylist. Oh, that's how cold it is out here. I knew my eyes were tearing, but could almost not feel it on my face. And there's so much going on. Technology has changed tremendously. The hair service industry has changed tremendously. I was on the phone with a client while sitting in the car, grateful that I had the opportunity to speak with her, and at the same time so glad I was sitting in this car with the heat on before I got out to walk. It's really cold outside. Let me see. 22 degrees. Okay. I didn't even touch the screen. It's 22 degrees outside. So I was grateful that I had the opportunity to engage with the client, because I have been the type of stylist that prefers to deal with people hands-on. Yes, I do have immense appreciation for technology, for the apps. But then there are people that are like, they're not trying to mess with the app. And I require restructuring of my scheduled services. I think that's the best way to put it. So I am supposed to work with this young lady who has her page is amazing. She gets lots of views, and she's killing it because she does installs and she retails hair. And at one time I used to say, like, why didn't I think of doing that? I change a lot. I like change. And I'm also resistant to change at the same time. It's kind of I was gonna say annoying, disturbing, unsettling, So at the same time, it's very very eye-opening, right? So like I said, I'm just gonna record from time to time. I have a plethora of videos, and I'm just gonna clear my phone and utilize my content to help provide solutions for others. And I'm providing a solution for myself, because it's allowing me to be creative in another way, because I'm kind of bored. At the same time, I am really not trying to do the most in laborious activity, physically laborious activity, and yet my goal, and I must thank Erin Lyons for this, my goal is to actually just see how much fun I can have in doing what it is that I enjoy doing. And even the things that are new that have been introduced to me at this present time, my goal is to see how much fun can I have doing those things. That's where I'm at. We could talk about getting money, getting to a bag, stability. I'm a Capricorn sun, so things I do always manifest for the long haul. I've been in my career field for over 30 years. So whatever I'm going to do, however it's going to balance out, it's going to be for the long haul. And the goal is to see how much fun I can have doing it. Otherwise, I don't want to be bothered. That's just where I'm at. I don't want to be bothered. If it's not, and I know about, being serious, and I'm a Capricorn. Come on. I've been serious all my life. I'm trying to have fun. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to have fun. I'm trying to enjoy this next chapter. So today is just a day. It ain't day 1, 2, 3, 100. I decided this is the day I'm going to actually share. I'm going to post this. I am a new content creator. And I say new content creator because before all I did was post. So I'm actually engaging. And I fell off for a while. And then they closed TikTok down, which is an actual blessing. I heard it's still up. Some people are still interactive with it. That's what I was told. And my following on TikTok is actually bigger than all the platforms that I utilize. So if you ever had your page hacked before, it's like, to hear that is not it's really not a sad thing. It's another, oh, pardon me, I got a little pine on me. It's a challenge that is going to allow you to rise to the occasion of meeting, interacting with, embracing, utilizing, expanding. And so, with that being said, I accept the challenge. And along with that, right, hold on. I would like to congratulate Paris Williams, aka Saturn's daughter, for her, I think this is her 3rd book she's published. But check it out. Breaking barriers. That's what this time is about. This is part of me breaking barriers. Jumping on here, making this video, sharing, becoming a little more vulnerable for the self in me that needed this, like you need it. Okay, so I'm not trying to go over 10 minutes really, but I had to shout my girl out. I will be getting into my book today, and I will be talking to you all later. Peace.